Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Starting up our 93 K1500. There you see it is an air truck, got an aftermarket JVC in it. There's all your gauges working. Horn works. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Wipers. Power window on both sides. Lock and unlock, and dome light. Good running truck. They're picking up. I do have this rear wheel anti-lock brake peel unhooked because it was had a short, so not a big deal. Just like I said, show you everything I know about it. Battery's pretty new. It's a nice driving truck, and everything works on it as far as accessories, lights. So good driver quality truck. 605-695-7391.